Hello children, today we are going to discuss about microbes. Have you heard about the term microbes? Not many, isn't it? Microbes, as the name suggests, are tiny living organisms which can be seen only through a microscope. Microbes are all around us. They can be in the air, in water, in soil, and even inside our body. The only thing is that as they are microscopic, we are not able to see them with our naked eye. That means our normal eye. Some microbes are useful to us. Some are disease-causing. Disease-causing microbes are called germs. So let us take a look at some of the microbes that cause diseases. That means some of the germs that cause diseases. Bacteria, virus, protozoa and fungi are the main types of germs that cause diseases. First, we can take a look at bacteria. Bacteria are single-celled microorganisms. That means all the activities in bacteria are carried over by one cell. Only one cell is present. It can be viewed with the help of a powerful microscope. The shapes are very interesting. They can be rod shaped like this, spiral shaped or round shaped. Bacteria cause diseases like tuberculosis and pneumonia. The second type of microbe or germ is virus. Virus is the simplest and tiniest microbe or germ, but it can be about 10,000 times smaller than bacteria. That means it is a very small microbe. But even though it is small, it can be very dangerous. There is a specialty about virus. It cannot exist on its own. It needs a plant or animal cell to multiply. Wherever microbes get favorable conditions to grow. Favorable conditions means the food, air, water and warmth, they will multiply. But virus, it needs a plant or animal cell to multiply. Whenever it enters the body, it starts getting increasing in number. Virus causes many dreadful diseases like polio, flu, chickenpox, common cold, and even the recent one, COVID-19, is caused by a virus. So don't think that it is too small, it is very dangerous. The third type of germ is protozoa. It is also a single-celled microorganism which has irregular shape. That means it does not have a definite shape. You can see it very clearly from the picture. It causes diseases like malaria and dysentery. The next type of microbe is fungi. Fungi, even though it is termed as a microbe, it is actually a plant. But it does not have chlorophyll. You already know the importance of chlorophyll in a plant. Chlorophyll is a green pigment that gives green color to the plant. And what is the need of having green color in the plant? Just to make it colorful? No. Green color in the plant, that is chlorophyll in the plant, is a part of the plant or an important factor which helps in the process of photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? It is the process by which plants prepare their own food. So we told that fungi does not have chlorophyll. Then how does it get its food? Being a plant, it cannot move also. Fungi gets its food from dead and decayed plant and animal. Fungi causes diseases like ringworm, athlete's foot and many other skin diseases. This is all the harm or the bad things about fungi. You have heard about yeast. We add it normally to food items to make it soft and fluffy, especially to cakes. Yeast is actually a fungi. Do you know that? You all eat it. We all eat it. But actually, it's a fungi, a microbe. When you see the picture of fungi, you can see a similarity to one of the food items. Yes, it's mushroom. Mushroom is also fungi. So, there are uses and bad effects of the same microbe. So, all types of microbes are not bad or does not cause harm to us. There are some uses for microbes also. So, let us take a look into the different uses of microbes. The first use is it changes milk into curd. We know that curd is made from milk, but we don't know how it happens. This is done by a bacteria called lactobacillus bacteria. Bacteria is a microbe. So, a microbe helps us to change milk into curd. It helps to produce vitamins in our body. That is also done by bacteria. Microbes act as decomposers. What is the work of decomposers? Decomposers helps to decay the dead plants and animals. Can you imagine a situation when all the dead plants and animals remain on earth itself? No, we can't think about it. So, these dead plants and animals are decayed and mixed in the soil with the help of decomposers. Decomposers are actually microbes. So, that is also a use of microbe. It helps to digest the roughage in animals. Roughage is actually the undigested part of food and that is digested with the help of microbe. So, these are some important uses of microbes. We learned about microbes, we learned about their growth, we learned about different types of microbes. Now we have to know how these microbes enter into our body or how they harm us. Microbes mainly enter through cuts or wounds in our skin. That is why we are asked to cover the cuts or wounds always, because we must not give a chance for microbes to grow in that wound and cause infection. Microbes can also enter into our body from polluted food and water. In our body, our blood and mouth provide favorable conditions for certain microbes to grow. That is why we discussed in last class that bacteria grow faster in our mouth when the foodstuffs are stuck in the mouth, in between the teeth. So, that is because the favorable conditions for the growth of that bacteria is provided in our mouth. Now, the best thing that we can do to protect our body is to maintain hygiene. We must keep ourselves clean. We must drink boiled water. We must eat cooked, covered food. And the most important one, wash your hands before having your food and after going to toilet. Maintain cleanliness in your surroundings too. These things will help you to maintain health. Hope you all have understood. Read your textbook and make it more clear. Thank you.